What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Let's compare two smartphones, Realme 3 Pro and Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's see the specification. First we compare the front camera. Realme 3 Pro has a 25 megapixel front camera and Note 7 Pro has a 30 megapixel front camera. Realme 3 Pro and Redmi Note 7 Pro have a same display, 6.3 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. Both smartphones have a dual back camera, but you can see the difference in pixels. Realme 3 Pro has a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and Redmi Note 7 Pro has a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. Next we talk about the performance. Realme 3 Pro has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Redmi Note 7 Pro has a 2 GHz octa-core processor. Let's talk about the chipset. Realme 3 Pro has a Snapdragon 710 chipset and in Redmi Note 7 Pro has a lower version of Snapdragon 675. Now talk about the RAM and storage. Realme 3 Pro has a 4GB and 6GB option in RAM and 64 and 128GB in storage, and Redmi Note 7 Pro has a also same 4 and 6GB RAM option and 64 and 128GB storage option. Now give a look on some other features. First we talk about the operating system. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9.0, and talk about the GPU. Realme 3 Pro has a Adreno 616 GPU and Redmi Note 7 Pro has a Adreno 612 GPU, and both smartphone has a dual SIM option and fingerprint sensor on the back as well. And talk about the battery. Realme 3 Pro has a 4045 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. You can charge your phone 50% in only 30 minutes. And other side 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging also. And talk about the price. Realme 3 Pro average price is 14,000 in India rupees and 200 in US dollar, and other side Redmi Note 7 Pro has a starting price 14,000 also and 200 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.